Ninja NJ601AMZ professional blender with 1000-watt motor and 72 ounces dishwasher-safe total crushing pitcher for smoothies, shakes and frozen drinks, black. Powerful motor base, 1000 watts of professional performance power. XL blending capacity, the 72 ounces. Pitcher is great for making large batches for the whole family. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Total crushing technology, delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. Professional versatility, blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious sauces, dips, and smoothies. Recipe inspiration, included 10 recipe guide provides drink making inspiration. Easy to clean, BPA free and dishwasher safe. What's included? 1000-watt motor base, 72 ounces. Pitcher with pour spout 64 ounces max liquid capacity, total crushing blades and 10 recipe inspiration guide.
Hello everyone, today I want to talk to you about my favorite blender. This is Ninja Professional Blender. There's so many great things about it. It has 1000 professional volts with the great power that it goes through everything that needs to be blended in it. There are a few features that no one talks about that I really love about this thing, so I wanted to discuss it with you today. The very first thing that I absolutely love is that it has numerous measurements on it. It has ounces and cups on one side, and then it has liters and milliliters on the other side. This is absolutely great for those of you who are not big on cooking and getting all the dishes in your kitchen dirty when you're trying to follow a recipe. You don't need to convert anything. Everything is right here. The next thing I want to show you is the razor. This is a 3-level razor, so you can fill it up to the max, and it still blends and liquefies everything really quickly. I want to show you how to lock it because that is very important. There's a white arrow here, white arrow right there. This is the only thing you have to worry about when you're locking it. You need to line them up, and then look how easy it is. You just press it on and that's done. The other thing I really love about this, you guys, this is my favorite feature, is the top is really locked in. You know, when you put everything in there and you turn around just to get your phone or a spoon or something else, and the top just flies off and everything ends up in your ceiling, this is never going to happen with this one. Watch. Do you see? It is impossible to get this top off. The other thing I really love is you can lift this thing and you can pour things out again without your top ever coming off and everything ending up all over the place. So this makes it so easy. Now, watch this. This is how easy it is to open it. This is not vacuum sealed. So all you have to do is press the button and watch. There's no pulling. I literally just lift it. So as you're lifting your lid, things are not flying out, which is awesome. And this is how easy it is to clean it. Take it apart, stick it in the dishwasher. This is totally a blender for those of you who do not love to cook, but do love their morning shakes and so on. I also have part of my video that will show you how easy it gets through the frozen berries. For those of you that know, frozen berries are like stones to get through, and a lot of blenders cannot even get through them. So enjoy watching this and make sure to put this blender on your wish list today.